Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel and welcome to our sixth tutorial of React Native. In previous tutorial, we are discussing Fretless and today we are design a login screen. So you have to install some dependencies on your project. So I have already installed some dependencies. So I have given here. You have to install React Native elements for multiple elements like card, button, okay, and React Native responsive scheme uh, for making a screen like this can work on iPhone 6 and iPhone 12 also, okay. So React Native vector icon for icons like user icons, key icon, password icon, okay. So you have to install it all dependency. I already installed all dependency, so now we can go with our uh, login screen. So I have already designed his our login screen, but I am not showing you because I have designed in front of you, okay. So you can see that here I am importing a React and importing a shape area view text scroll view. You have to import a React Native responsive screen as like that width percentage to dp as wp and height percent to dp as hp. Means width percent to dp means the screen width is horizontally height of is our emulator screen, so it's giving a horizontally height, okay, and height percent to dp is giving our vertically height of a screen, okay. So I am using here like that width is a wp of 100%, height is hp of 40%, so it's giving a 40% of a screen, okay. So I think you understand easily. So now I am going to profile our app.js and here I am doing that login, okay. So now control s and you can see that there is no any change, so I am going to here and pressing the r key, okay. You can see that here is nothing on our screen. So first we are going here and we are importing shape area view and using a scroll view for scrolling a screen. Now I am using a image background, so I am importing image background, ठीक है. ओके, सो यहाँ पर मैंने इमेज बैकग्राउंड को इंपोर्ट कर लिया है, इमेज बैकग्राउंड, ओके. सो क्लोज दिस लाइक दैट एंड you have to give source. I am using some UI require sorry matlab I am using some images here for background. You can also use like that. I am using here like that. I am going to assets and assets to uh, 2.jpg 2.jpg. Okay, so now I am giving a style here, style equals to my width. I am giving a width like that, wp of 100% means 100% of width, and height of 100% means height is 100% of screen, okay. So 100%, S. So you can see that it's a whole image is appear on the screen. You can see that easily. So now I am going to creating a view here for view, and I am passing a view style. I already created some styles for view, so I am using a view style, okay. So it's a view style and you can see the hidden property of width, height and alignment, okay. So I am going to here and using an image icon, image okay. I am not importing here image, so let's go here and import image, okay. So now I can easily use image image and self closing source, using a source here, sorry, source require, okay. So now you can go to your assets and I am using app icon.jpg, app underscore icon dot png, okay, so control s. So nothing appear. You can see that here is an appearing icon with a very large screen. So I am going to here to give a width of wp, wp of 50%, okay. Control s. So you can see that here, and I am going to give a height of hpy 30%. So you can see that here is an icon is appear here. Okay, so it's showing like something not good, but in my app, in my real mobile it's showing very good. So okay, so you can use any of them. So now it's working properly now. And you can also give here a background border radius, border border radius. Okay, I am going to give a border radius of 50. Control S, not working properly. Okay, you can use 100. Control S. It's looking good now. And it's so now remove it from here. Okay, sorry. I am going to create a view for text input, because I am creating because we are creating creating login screen. So style dot, I am already created a view input style. So it's a view input style, and I am here. So it's a view input style. Control S. You can see that here in appearing a view like that. I am giving a border width of 1, border color of golden color, and aligning itself on center, and 90% of height. Now I am going to here and using a text input, text input, and doing a self close here. And now I am giving to here a placeholder value. Placeholder value is our enter your email. Enter your email. Okay, so now here I'm going to placeholder text color. So it's a placeholder text color is white, because our screen color is black. So it's aligning on center. Now you can see that it's aligning on center, because and placeholder WHIT is not working properly. Okay, not at all. Not a problem. Placeholder text color. Okay. So something wrong here. Remove it. Control S. Okay, nothing appear. Placeholder, enter your email. Okay, uh, placeholder text color, WHITE. Control S. You can see that it's appear here and on a white color. Okay, so I am using a here ant icon. So you have to import here ant design icon, ant design. Okay, so go from here from, and import react native element, react native vector icons. Okay, so now I am importing vector icons, and you have slashing and using enter designs. Okay, so you have to go here, and आपको यहाँ जाना है, यहाँ पर कर देना है. अरे यार, एंड डिज़ाइन. ओके, सो हम एंड डिज़ाइन जो यहाँ पर यूज़ कर रहे हैं, मैं आपको बता दूँ किस लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं. मैंने यहाँ पे फ्लैक्स डायरेक्शन रॉ दिया हुआ है, बिकॉज मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो हमारा आए वो फ्लैक्स डायरेक्शन रॉ में आए. एंड मैं देना चाहता हूँ नेम में देना चाहता हूँ मैं यूज़र. कंट्रोल एस. इट्स नॉट शोइंग हेयर, बिकॉज साइज़ दे देते हैं. साइज़ होगा हमारा 30, और हम कलर दे देते हैं. कलर होगा हमारा वाइट, WHITE. So you can see that here is an icon is appear here, and you can easily see that. So now I am giving here giving a property of style property here, and style is width of 80%. Okay, WP of 80%. आपको WP of 80% देना है. Okay, Control S कर देना है. So it's looking good now, and you can also give a property of like here text color, text sorry, for color, sorry, color property I am giving here WHITE. Control S. So you can write anything here like H. Okay, it's working properly, and you can write you can see that here. Okay, so it's working properly. So now you have to copy this code, Control C, and paste here. Control V. Okay, nothing appear, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Control C, and go here, Control V. Okay, so now I am here to creating a password field. So you have to give a password, PASSWORD password, and you have to go here and icon, you have to get key. Okay, so let's we go to our screen here and searching for password. PASSWORD. Nothing appear here. Password. You can see that is a password for material community icon. Okay, so any key like key, हाँ की है, एंटर डिजाइन में भी है, बट वी आर यूजिंग अ पासवर्ड हेयर. So we have to import, go here and write PASSWORD password. So we have to use a material community icon. Okay, so we are going here and you have to go here and import. One more thing here. You cannot import icons, vector icons at a single time here. So you have to import again and again. Okay. So if you importing another file, React Native vector icons slash material community icon. Okay. So we are importing a material community icon here. So now you have to go write a material community, material मेटे कमेंट आइकन. ठीक है. सो आपको क्या करना है, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, यहाँ जाना है और एंटर डिजाइन की जगह आपको लिख देना है मेटेरियल कम्युनिटी आइकन. एम लिखना है, वो अपने आप ही बता देगा. और आपको यहाँ की जगह कर देना है, आपको जाना है वापस अपने स्क्रीन पर, यहाँ देखना है क्या नाम है इसका, फॉर्म टेक्स्ट पासवर्ड. ओके, वन पासवर्ड डाल देते हैं, वन पासवर्ड नहीं डालते, फॉर्म टेक्स्ट पासवर्ड दे देते हैं. कंट्रोल सी. ओके, यहाँ से कॉपी कर लेते हैं इसको और कंट्रोल भी कर देते हैं. ओके, नाउ इट्स वर्किंग गुड. कंट्रोल एस. So you can see that here is working properly now. And now what we are doing, so it's working properly. And one more thing here, we have to secure text entry for control s. It's a defaultly true. You can go here and write anything. So you can see that here is a password is creating. Okay, so now I am going to give a okay font size. Input style property already I am giving here. So align self. Okay, so what we have to do? Just go here and give a remove it from here, because already I am giving a property of style dot input style. Okay, control S. So now you can see that it's working properly now and looking good. So now remove from here it and style dot input style, control S. So now it's already looking good. So now you can see that it's looking good now. And we are have to design view for checkbox style. So style dot checkbox style. So control S. Nothing appear here, nothing, no problem. We are going here and importing import. We are importing a button view button from React Native Elements. हमें React Native Elements में तो बटन import करना है. और again we are going to here and you have to see that what we are doing. We are creating a custom checkbox by icons. So you can see that checkbox. Okay. So you can see that here a Fontisto and Fontisto have a two checkbox. First is tick checkbox and second is checkbox of passive. Okay, without tick. So we are importing a Fontisto from. So I am copying this here vector icon, Control C, and pasting here Control V and Fontisto. I have to import a Fontisto. So Fontisto. You can see that here is a Fontisto and okay, now I am going to write here Fontisto. Okay, so Fontisto. So I am creating a hook here for const and const check check comma set check. Okay, so now and writing a react hook, react dot use state. We are using a use state and giving a value of true again, because giving a value of true, sorry, false. Okay, false. Okay, now it's a false value. and here I am going to create a custom so icon. So we are giving a checking a value check equals to false means अगर वो false के इक्वल है, ठीक है, आपको ये यूज करना है और यहाँ लिखना है इस प्रकार से सॉरी फॉन्टिस्टो नेम में आपको अपना आइकन का नेम देना है। जैसे कि मैं देने वाला हूँ यहाँ पर, आपको यहाँ जाना है और यहाँ पे ये लगा देना है। आपको फॉन्टिस्टो में नेम देना है तो यहाँ पे जाना है वापस और सबसे पहले मुझे ये चेकबॉक्स चाहिए। कंट्रोल सी कर लेते हैं चेकबॉक्स को और कंट्रोल वी कर देते हैं यहाँ पर और मैं इसका कलर दे देता हूँ गोल्डन कलर। तो HDAA 520 इसका कलर है 520। So control S. It's looking. You can see that here. Nothing appear here because something wrong here. Okay. Wrong is that here I am not doing this, and we have to again font store name equals to here I am going again and copy this. Control C. Okay. So now control V is working and giving a color of golden HDAA 520. Okay. Control S. You can go here, nothing appear here and you can see something is appear here but checkbox width is 90 and not aligning on self. So align self, give a property of align self property of center. Control S. And you can also give a align item property of center. Control S. So sorry, I'll don't give a align item, just give a justify content property. Control S. So it's, you can see that it's appearing here and now I am going here and giving a size of it. Size of 30. Now control S. It's looking good but size is very big, so you have to give a 25. I am giving a 25 and I am using a size of 25 here. Control S. It's looking good now and it's looking good now. So now here what we have to do, just give here a property of flex direction raw. Flex direction ROW raw. Okay, control S. So what okay, so here is an error for flex direction. No, nothing error, it's not an error because it's aligning on itself center. So I am here giving a property of text property and adding here term and agree to term agree to okay, I'm using agree to here and again giving a text for term and CONDITI condition. So control S. You can see that here is an appearing a term and condition and now you can go here and give a property of style like that style of I am giving a white color. So firstly I am giving a color of white, WHITE white. Control S. So it's appearing white and here I'm giving a property like that color is a golden color. Okay, HDAA 520. Control S. Now it's looking good and giving a font family, not a text decoration line is a underline. Control X. So you can see that it's looking good now and we have to go here and remove a property of align item on center. Align item justify align self on center, justify contain center flag direction row. So align item center is not working, remove it from here Control S. It's looking good now. So use align item property for here a center property. Control S. So okay. Oh, sorry. Use here a comma. Control X. It's looking good now. Okay, looking good. So you can give a थोड़ा margin दे देते हैं. समथिंग मार्जिन देना जरूरी है क्योंकि मार्जिन के बिना काम नहीं बनेगा. हाँ, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ पर जैसे कि हम चाहते हैं कि इस पर टिक करें तो टिक करने पर ये हमारा चेंज हो जाए. तो क्या करते हैं, प्रॉपर्टी लगाते हैं ऑन प्रेस पे प्रॉपर्टी लगा देते हैं. हम्म इसको यहाँ ले लेते हैं और ऑन प्रेस पे प्रॉपर्टी लगाते हैं. सेट सेट चेक ट्रू. ओके. एंड हेयर प्रॉपर्टी लगाते हैं ऑन प्रेस पर. ऑन प्रेस वी हैव टू डू अ सेट चेक property false, FALSE false. Okay, so now control S. So if we click on this, you can see that it's changing here. Okay, so it's looking good now. And one more thing here, we have to use a button here. So button, BUTTON button. We are using a React Native element button here. So title is title. Okay, title is title name is हाँ log login, सॉरी लॉगिन कर देते हैं. Control S. So here is a button appear within a full width of 100%. So we have to use a property of here. So here is a container style property, and we are giving a width of WP of 80%, sorry 90%. Okay, comma height of YHP of 6%. Control S. So okay, there is an error 6%. Control S. It's looking good now. And you can align it align self on center. Control S. So you can see that it's looking good now. Okay, looking good. But you can give a text style property, title property, sorry, title style property. And we are using a title style property and giving a font size of, sorry, font family nahi, font size of 20. Control S. So you can see that its login is looking big now. And so here is our login screen. And if you want to give a forget password view, so what we have to do, just go here and write some code like a view. I am giving a view, not a view, just using a text, that we see that text working properly here. Forget password, forget PASSWO password. Okay, now forget password. Control S. So you can see that here is forget password appearing. And we are giving a style property here. In style property, align self on flex and. Control S. It's not working properly, so now not use here, this here. And first of all color दे देते हैं white. Control S. So now it's working good. And give a font font style में दे देते हैं italic. नॉर्मल नहीं है, हम चाहते हैं italic हो. Control S. थोड़ा सा italic हो गया. एंड टेक्स्ट डेकोरेशन लाइन दे देते हैं इसको भी अंडरलाइन. Control S. सो ये भी वर्किंग गुड कर रहा है. सो अब हमें क्या करना है, इसको अलाइन करना है कि हम चाहते हैं ये अलाइन हो जाए हमारा यहाँ पर. सो फॉर दिस व्हाट वी कैन डू हेयर, we can create a view and align it on here. Okay, so let we see what we can do. So here I'm going and creating another view. Control X and Control V. Okay, so now give a property here, style property, and giving a width of by WP, giving a WP of 20%. Control S, not working properly. 30. Control S. Huh, looking good. Now align it, comma align align self on flex end. No, 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 no. I don't want to do this. Go here and align. You can see that it's working properly now. You can give a 40% control S. Oh, you can see that it's looking good now. It's aligning on here, and you can also give a property of font size. Okay, I am giving a font size property here for increasing the size of 15. Control S. It's looking good now. Okay, so here is our screen of login screen, and so now we have to what we are going to do here. So let we create here a view for if we user already login, means if a user is already login, so what we can do, so just go here and write style property, give a width of WP of 90%, 90% by WP, sorry, WP of 90%, and give a height of 20% by HP 20%. Okay, now give a property of align item on center, comma justify content on center, comma flex and flex direction of raw. So I am giving this property because what we I want to do, you can see that here. Give a text property here and write already 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 have account ACCOUNT. Here sorry friends. Sorry friends, I have a urgent call, so giving a text of mm, mm, you can friends, I have urgent call now, so I am pausing a video. So friends, now I am back here, and what we are doing, okay, sign, okay, right here, sign up, sign, okay, so give a color property here, स्टाइल ऑफ कलर दे देते हैं, कलर देंगे वही हम कलर देने वाले हैं, गोल्डन कलर देंगे, क्योंकि ये हमारा हमारा जो होगा ये हमारा, हम चाहते हैं कि अगर यूज़र को ये दिखे, अच्छा दिखे. You can see that here, and also giving a font size property here, comma font size of 30, not 30, 25. And here I'm going to again giving this property स्टाइल में मैं दे देना चाहता हूँ फॉन्ट साइज देना चाहता हूँ 25 का एंड कलर देना चाहता हूँ वाइट सो इट्स वेरी बिग now again it's very big 15 now it's looking good and here giving us some space control s and give a text decoration line of underline. So friends, here is our screen of login screen. You can see that easily. Okay, so and here is our password field, and password field is securely entering a password. Okay, and here our checkbox, term and condition field and login button. So thank you very much guys. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें चैनल को.